student, very good morning to all of you. Beta, today we describe or explain here the topic asexual reproduction and their part first, binary fission. Okay, so as we said earlier that in asexual reproduction method, certain body cell of the parent organism undergo repeated mitotic cell division to form two new organisms of the same kind, because in asexual reproduction offspring are two copy of their parents. Asexual reproduction takes place by a different method, as we said, the fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration. Okay, but here we describe binary fission, means first method of asexual reproduction is fission. So many single cells organisms like protozoa and bacteria just break into two identical halves during cell division and leading to the creation of new organisms. This is called fission. In biology, fission is the process of reproduction in unicellular organisms such as protozoa like amoeba, paramecium, leishmania and many other bacteria. So what is fission? In the process of fission, a unicellular organism split to form two more new organisms. Okay, and fission is also, we have two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Depending on the whether the parent organism split to form two new organisms or more than two organisms, the two type of fission are described. But here we describe only one type, binary fission. Okay, so this one is first example of binary fission. As we know that binary means bi means two, means in binary fission the parent organism split to form two new organisms. When this happens, the parent organism ceases and to exist and two new organisms come into existence. So unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, leishmania, bacteria, etc. reproduced by binary fission. So amoeba reproduced by binary fission divides its body into two parts. This is happened when the amoeba cell has reached its maximum size of growth. Then first the nucleus of amoeba length and divide into two parts. There is one MCQ type question is happening here, that which part of amoeba is divided in binary fission first. So you have to write down their nucleus. Okay. After that, the cytoplasm of amoeba divide into two parts, one part around each nucleus, and in this way one parent amoeba divide to form two smaller amoeba daughters, and we say one amoeba produce two amoeba. The reproduction in amoeba by binary show as is in your figure. Okay, so the two daughter amoeba produce here grow to their full size by eating food and then divide again to produce four amoeba and so on. In the unicellular organisms such as amoeba, the splitting of parent cell during fission can take place in any plane. Okay, but in paramecium, in paramecium, it is a unicellular animal having short thread-like structure called cilia over its surface. It reproduces by method of binary fission. It fully grown developed paramecium divides its body into two parts from two smaller paramecia, and this is happened by the division of nucleus followed by the division of cytoplasm. Okay. As we say that there is micronucleus, contractile vacuole. After that, in B part there some division oral groove disappearing over there, and after that new oral groove is forming. And now next there is two paramecium divided in between in their middle in transversal form, and new contractile vacuole. Then two daughter cells are divided. This is the binary fission, because one paramecium divides body into two parts. That one paramecium done also binary fission. Okay. Next, this one is leishmania. Leishmania is unicellular animal which is protozoan. It is a parasite which causes the disease Kala Azar, black fever. And black fever is also known as leishmania. Leishmania has a greater degree of organization in its body, having a whip-like structure called flagellum at its one end, and leishmania reproduced by the process of binary fission. In leishmania, the splitting of parent cell during fission takes place in a definite plane with respect to flagellum in its end, and this respect leishmania differ from amoeba. So from the above discussion we include that simple like amoeba, paramecium and leishmania reproduce by binary fission, and the microorganisms like bacteria also by the method of binary fission. So binary means two and the word fission means splitting. So then binary fission means splitting into two. We can observe the binary fission of amoeba, paramecium under a microscope, and this can done a follow collect some water from a pond or other stagnant water bodies where weeds, hay and husk are dumped, and put a few drops of pond water on a clean slide and observe the first under low magnification and then under high magnification. Means this is the laboratory work where you see these type of organisms. So these are all about binary fission. In our next lecture we describe there about this second part, multiple fission and budding. Okay, but you have to make notes on them and send it in the group class group, online class group, and make your attendance on the basis of that. Okay, thank you.